solving time value of money questions on a financial calculator. The one I'll be using is Texas Instruments BA2 Plus. So for the questions we're solving, we'll start with future values. The first question, what is the future value of $1,200 a year for 40 years at 8% interest? Assume annual compounding. So the answer to this question is C, which is 310,868. But how do we get that answer using our financial calculator? I'll show you how to do that. How to solve the question? Turn on the calculator, and then we'll be using the time value of money functions here, or time value of money buttons right here, N, I over Y, PV, PMT, FV. Okay, and in our question we have 40 years because we have $1,200 per year for 40 years. So you start with N, you'll press on 40 and then N, so N is equals to 40. I over Y is the interest per year. So interest per year here we have as 8%. So you press on 8 and then I over Y. We don't have PV. So 0 is equals to PV. And since 1,200 per year is an annuity, so that is a recurring payment, that would be a PMT. So you enter 1,200 negative because it's like a cash outflow, and press on PMT. Lastly, we need to compute the future value of this cash flow. So after entering everything, you press on compute FV, excuse me. So compute is this CPT button. So you press on CPT and then FV. You'll get 310,867.82 as the answer. So if rounded off, it will be 310,868, which is the same as what we have in our choices here. Yeah. What is the future value of $15,000 per year for 30 years at 12% interest? The answer is $3,619,990. How to solve that question in a financial calculator? We have 30 years because it's saying that what is the future value of $15,000 a year for 30 years at 12% interest. So turn it on. Yep. And then N is 30 because that is the total duration. So key in 30 and then press on N. Next we have interest. So the discount rate is 12%. So just enter 12 and then press on I over Y, or interest per year. And then next is PMT because it's 15,000 a year. So it's a recurring payment. So that would be PMT. So we'll be using 15,000 negative because it's a cash outflow. Press on PMT. And then PV is 0. So 0 is PV. Since the question is asking us to find the future value, so you compute FV. Press on CPT and then FV. The answer would be 3,619,990.27. So this is the same as what we got in the options here.